The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Roman Reigns from Davenport, Iowa.
Oh! What the heck is he doing? Clearly wasn't expecting this and now has the advantage.
Underhanded tactics. Will they pay off? And now this match has officially begun.
Well, this is the way we're starting, Cole. I think the WWE Universe is in for quite a show tonight.
And I'm not sure the word official is even in their vocabulary right about now, Michael.
Goes under the ropes and into the ring. What a shot.
Drop kick!
Great athleticism. Counter right when it was needed. And he scores a reversal on Rollins.
Big boot on the mark.
Mind games in full effect from the Apex Predator.
So precise with the super kick.
And enters back into the ring.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Byron, what kind of mindset do you have to thrive in a no DQ match?
You have to be willing to both dish it out and take it, Michael. Sure, there's a thrill of being able to use a chair without the worry of disqualification, but you have to remember that you're not the only one with that freedom.
Yeah, swing that chair as freely as you want, but be prepared to feel it swung back at you sooner rather than later. Ooh, walloped by a huge club. What a punch!
And whatever his Rollins game plan didn't quite pan out for him there.
A ferocious Randy coming out here.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
Bang! He finds a counter.
One arm hooked. Face buster! And the steam. Oh, knee right to the face! Oh, man.
Nasty kick to the face.
Oh, did you hear that? Boom, right the button.
Orton measuring his opponent.
Uh-oh. Seth retaliates.
The Viper shows his instinct.
Oh, what a club.
Ooh, stiff punch.
And a stop to the gut, too.
Oh, and it's reversed.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
Oh, man.
Good grief.
Turn your lights out.
You can see that each strike drained their opponent's energy. Come on now. What is this manager bringing out? You should revoke his license for this. Oh, man. Adding more injury to injury with that hammer.
Repeated hits like that are going to add up very quick. Plenty of damage being dealt here.
I can't watch this anymore. Just someone make it stop.
He's looking to go high risk from the top rope.
Up high.
Good Lord, taking flight.
That was just incredible hang time.
Was willing to take the high risk to the outside. RKO out of nowhere.
Emphatic statement from the Viper.
Oh, God. Orton now dictating the pace here.
Rollins has to find a way to right the ship here.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Counters the Viper's attack.
He's able to take a stand there.
Brief sign of adrenaline from Rollins. Going for the legs, going right after the base.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. Leg drop.
Carefully measured knee drop.
And the battle being brought to the Viper there.
Yeah, Rollins at this stage getting visions of winding this battle down.
And he definitely has plans for this ladder.
The beauty of this business, we're always learning new sorts of uses for a ladder. No.
Barrel tope, what?
What a display of fearlessness we just witnessed.
That's the kind of attitude you need to take yourself to the next level.
And that's another well-placed attack to his head and neck area.
Huge boot. Devastating elbow. drops the elbow. Head being targeted again, it seems.
Oh, what a kick. RKO. That's going to keep Rollins down.
Just torturing his opponent.
Orton putting his knowledge to good use with a precision strike. Randy Orton, there it is.
Elbow drop, big time.
Seth Rollins desperately needs to figure this out.
The attacks will not relent from the Viper. And he now slides back into the ring.
Drop kick from behind.
Ouch. Boot to the mush. Effective way to counter any attack.
Man.
Boom! Good defense from him.
Oh, stop to the tummy.
Tummy. Solid contact from the Viper. Wow. Elbow.
Was mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too.
Intense look in the eyes as he calculates his next strike.
Gosh.
And he's got cartoon birds swirling over his head right now for sure.
All these attacks to the head. He's going to end up with a lot more than a splitting headache if this match goes on for much longer. Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point.
Shows great wherewithal there.
Drop kick from behind. Specifically targeting the leg.
Oh, solid kick across the back.
And it could be an uphill fight for Randy now.
Yeah, Orton has been challenged every step of the way.
Taking the wind out with a stomp to the solar plexus. The Revolution knee finds the mark.
A relentless continued assault from Rollins.
The Viper might be feeling a bit rattled.
Falcon arrow.
Incredible. Oh, kick right to the spine.
Knee strike to the face. Oh, and a stomp.
Now trampling the opposition. Rollins with the wrist trapped.
Boom! Ripcord knee.
Going right back to the head area.
And this is why you've always got to protect your neck.
Randy can't mount any offense.
Rollins is set to slay.
Stops the kick.
Caught with a punch. When you're this far into a match, you are surviving on instinct.
Blow after blow. This is all about survival at this point.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Rollins dead to rights in desperate need of salvation. It's over. You can't survive that again.
Shoulders are down. Randy Orton comes up big with that victory.
Here is your winner, the Viper, Randy Orton!
Rollins could not get it done here tonight against Randy Orton.
If I were Seth Rollins, I'd find a plan B and execute it as soon as possible.